to update the map that is installed in your factory Honda GPS, you'll need to follow several steps. So the first thing you want to make sure is you have a pen drive with the storage of minimum of 16 gigabytes. And the other thing to note is that this process could take a bit depending on your internet speed. So they're saying it could take up to 4 hours, but based on my experience, it really didn't take me 4 hours. So first thing you want to do is visit the Honda dedicated Garmin website, and I'll paste the link below in the description. Once you type in the address and hit enter, you should see the landing page, this landing page that I'm sharing here. Once you're there, just figure out the year and the model of your vehicle. In my case, I have a 2018 Ridgeline. So I'll just click this Ridgeline link here. And what it does is opens another tab that provides you more specific instructions on how to locate certain component in your car. So you can see you have Accord, Odyssey, Insight, Passport, and Pilot. Mine is not listed here, so they have an option for vehicle not listed. So just expand this. Now here, what you see is very specific instructions on how to format your USB drive. What are some of the things you have to do once you take the pen drive back to your vehicle. But since you're watching this video, you don't need to go through all of these. I will demonstrate. So from this page, the only thing you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you'll see there's a reference to a Garmin Express. So this is the application that you will have to install in your computer to help facilitate the downloading of the map. So just go ahead and click this, and this would open another tab. And now you should see a link to download the Garmin Express application. So depending on whether you're running a Mac or a Windows operating system, just click it. Once you click it, go through the installation process, install the software. So I already have the software installed. So let me just show you. So this is the Garmin Express. Notice I already have my vehicle, but if you never used this before, you'll only see this here at a device. So now what you wanted to do is you can just pause here. The next step would be to take the pen drive that you already have and you format it without any data inside, right? So I have a blank USB drive. Take it to your vehicle. So let me just take you to my vehicle and I will show you the steps that you will need to run through in your vehicle, then come back with the pen drive and we'll follow the next steps.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start your car. As you wait for the GPS to load, you can plug in your USB drive. So you want to find the USB plug. So my car is up here, right next to the cigarette lighter. So I'll just plug it in here. Other cars, you may have it in the center console storage area. So you just have to open the storage area and find the USB plug. So now we're just waiting for the GPS to load. Okay, looks like it's loaded. So at this point, we want to get to the settings. So just tap the three lines here. You have to scroll down to get to the settings. So here it is, settings, tap settings. Here again, you want to scroll down and look for device. Tap device. Then you'll see update map option. That's the very last option under device. Now tap that. You'll see a prompt to visit the Garmin website for Honda. You can just press OK here. Now the next step is this happened very quickly. So the USB drive at this point has been updated with the necessary information to download the GPS data for this vehicle. So at this point, just tap OK and unplug your USB drive and take it back to your PC to load the data.
Okay, so now that you're back to your PC, just plug in the USB. So as you can see, once you plug in, it'll pop open. Then you click the add device, and what this does is it will search and find the device. So I found it, click the add device. And you can add the name if you like. I'll just go next. It's optional. And here you can, if you have multiple cars, you can name for your vehicle. So I'm just typing in Ridgeline here and hit next. Now this is looking for an update to the map. It takes a few seconds. So I did find an update. Click installed. Notice the time. Okay, just accept the terms and conditions. Continue. Now it's preparing for the map update and it'll show you the time it may take. So for mine, it's showing 2 hours 44 minutes, but it should change soon because of the internet speed. So give it a few seconds for this to refresh. Okay, now as you can see, once it refreshes, it's very quick. So for me, it now is showing 12 minutes. So I'll just let this go through and I'll skip toward the end. So just bear with me here. Okay. Okay, almost done. It's at 99%. All right, so now it's done. Now the last step is taking the pen drive so you can safely remove and unplug the pen drive. And next step is taking it back to your car. This really didn't take too long.
Okay, now that we have the pen drive loaded with the GPS data, we're gonna start up the car again. Let the GPS load. While we wait, I'll just plug the pen drive in to my USB port here. Okay, looks like the GPS is loading. Okay, so we'll do the same thing again. We'll tap the three lines, get to the settings, scroll down here, tap settings. Here again, we'll scroll down to get to the device. Now here, we'll tap update map once more. There's a bit of a update notice here. So it says installing the data. The process could take up to an hour to complete. You will have to leave the car running for that duration. So if you're going on a long trip, probably it's a good idea to do it at that point, or in your garage, just leave it running. So what I will do is yes, continue. And now it will take however long it takes to install the software. So we'll be back once it's done. So now it looks like it's done. Took about 15 minutes or so. So let's see, I'll just press OK and I think that's it. Yep, looks like it. Thanks for watching.